Kaspari sünnipäev, seda ei juhtu iga päev. Sünnipäeva laps, sa tõuse üles laps. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kaspar, happy birthday to you.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday.
Hello everybody, it is me, Rahi again. It is very nice to see you. Now, while you were too busy jerking off in the cold weather, meanwhile, I managed to move to a new location. So, everybody, welcome to my new crib. Come on in, come on everybody. You see, let's start from the beginning. Here we have a toilet, very good toilet. Take the shit, take a bath, very nice. So, kitchen, let's see what's in the fridge. We have a mini bar, of course, drinks, and a lot of food, you see? So, kitchen, very nice. Here is bedroom for two lovers. That is, of course, me and my brother. Here is our living room, very big, very beautiful, very good couch. Yes, watch TV, everything, very nice, very nice. Rahi likes. So come on, here is one big bedroom also, and of course a toilet. Very nice, very nice. And look over here. We also have a balcony. Very big balcony, and look at the view. Beautiful, eh? Rahi likes very much. So thank you MTV. It was very nice to see you again. But now Rahi has to go. Rahi has to go and do some indie business. Kaspar käis kuskil. Ei saagi enam pilvida.
Kes on mind, ma saan veel.
No, what you want? Mida sa tahad, kuuled? Mine ära. Mine kohe, istu maha. See on morga peale. Väike laps, mine koju ära. Tudu vahe. Ära tee! Ei, koht, istu, mamma, mine ära. Mis sul viga on? Anna see lusikas siia. Mine ära, aisa.
Au Kaspar, kus me lähme?
Jooksen randa,
Kuhu randa?
Oduküla randa.
Miks?
Et saada pruuniks 2. juuliks.
Mis siis on?
Siis on pidu,
Mis pidu?
2. küla pidu.
Kes seal on?
Seal on noored,
Mis noored?
2 noored.
Jooksen randa, Koduküla randa, et saada pruuniks 2. juuniks. Siis on pidu, 2. küla pidu, seal on noored, 2 noored. Siin kauges külas teisi näinud pole veel. Tühi randa, Nõmme liivatee.
Palju õnne sünnipäevaks!
Kosmonaudi.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Hey, if I just spread my wings.
Jalva! Oh, räigelt lahe! Crazy!
Carlos, esimesed muljed. Lahja. Palju õnne sünnipäevaks, palju õnne venna sünnipäevaks. Idu!
See on üks suuremaid millimalikaid, mida ma näinud olen. See on mu jalas mõnus.
The only right way to spend your birthday.
I'm just smoking trippy stick on this one. OG hash oil.
Teile öelda?
Roll a joint, roll another one. When it's all said and done, I'll be at the top, bitch, cause I hustle a lot. Them cars, we pulling them off the lot. Don't even test drive it before I crack.
What is your name? Say to the camera, what is your name now?
My name is Ron.
My name is Rafi. Very nice to meet you.
He's taking a hold.
How are you?
Kõnn rahulikult rannas ja järsku koperdan mingi kuradi karvas asja otsa, vaatan, et keegi on enda pea siia maha jätnud.
Prillid! Võta prillid ära!
Mõnus.
Smoke weed with my niggas. Yeah, I just wanna ride in my ride with the top down. Smoke weed with my niggas. Still rolling weed on my double XL. Only difference is that's me on the cover. Once a
Päeval sõidavad siin autod, aga õhtupoole muutub see kõik turuks, kõik on lihtsalt igast asju täis.
and then they down the rest of the end with me. Make sure the positive energy keep flowing.
Ja niimoodi läheb kilomeetreid.
Keep from falling off, niggas. A lot of y'all turn fakers. You found out what I make on now. I'm buying the states, going on private island vacations, flying on private planes. I'm cool with the quality. Let me roll something, put on a movie, let my girl watch it. At the dealer high, looking at Ferrari options. Just the everyday life when you young and bouncing. I just wanna ride in my ride with the top down. And smoke weed with my niggas.
Cut, mutate.
Lapsel lõbu kui palju? Mis sa tahad? Ma ei kuule.
Jäätist.
Mida?
Jäätist.
Mis sa tahad?
Jäätist.
Shadow depth. I take a look at my life and realize that there's nothing left. 'Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long. Even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't got a costume on and deep reserve. You treat it like a punk, you know it's unheard of. You better watch how you talk and where you're walking. You do it shot. Really hate the trip, but it got to be hard. It's hard when you pick the straight. Always wanna be like on my knees in the night, in the street light, been there's paradise, there's paradise. Got the situation, got me facing. I can never know my life. I was raised by the shit. I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television, what you got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated.
Ja vot selline oligi viimane päev Toimaal. aga me saime veel täna asju juurde. Kaspar sai endale sellise mütsi, suht cool. Siis ma sain Supreme'i koti, suht noorm. Siis ma sain Heitibi käpi, väga cool. Kaspar sai ka käpi, dope. Siis ma sain endale särgi. Oskate arvata, mis siin on? Supreme'i särk. Ja siis ma sain Adidase särgi ja mütsi. Väga cool, väga cool. Ja siis Kaspar sai veel kella. Ja põhimõtteliselt me peame hakkama juba 5 tunni pärast lennujaama liikuma. Ja praegu on meil kell 10 minuti pärast 12. Aga we'll see you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir.
Gleam in my eye, low down bone, sad shit and bang. And my homies are mad, so don't know I ain't got food. If they ain't nothing but a heart.
Cut.